Loki. How's the handsome boy today, huh? How's the handsome boy? We're gonna give people a minute to join the video because they want to see you. And a good scratch. And it's a good scratch. Oh, there you go. That's a good scratch. Hey guys, thanks for joining our tour. It's nice to see you. This is Loki. He's getting his scratches. He loves getting his scratches. Staff favorite, absolutely. Visit him every day in his kennel. He smiles. You might have seen his smiley video on our Instagram page, and I know that you've seen him here on our live tours. He's been up for adoption for a while. It's taken us a little bit longer, and you're like, why? Why is it taking so long? Loki is a sweet boy. He's a bull terrier mix. He does have, you'll notice, his little elbow sticks out. His elbows, they stick out a little bit. He has elbow dysplasia. At this point in time, it's not a problem for him. He gets around just fine. Although we do make sure his walks are a little shorter. In the future, he might need to look at some joint care, talk with a veterinarian. Worst case scenario, years down the road, he might need surgery, but that's not likely, but it is a possibility. So we need to find him a home that can really make sure he's going to get the great care that he needs, make sure he doesn't get overweight, make sure he doesn't chunk out and put extra pressure on those joints. That would be a big problem. He's a little chunky now. We're trying to watch his food, but he's an absolute sweetheart. He loves belly rubs. He loves rolling. Hi, Loki. He's such a sweetie, and he likes it when you go like that. He's a chunk. Look at him. Say hi, Loki. He's the best. Absolutely love him. He thinks he's a lap dog. I think he weighs over 60 pounds. So it's a lot of dog to be in your lap. He's totally fine with it as long as you are. Love him. He gets along with dogs. He's done well at dog parks. I don't know how he is around cats. Around kids, his previous owner said that he was cautious yet curious with kiddos. As long as you give him lots of scratches, he'll be happy. So there's Loki, our featured dog this week. We're gonna go in and see the other dogs that we have up for adoption. Of course, Loki just wants attention from Wendy. Thank you again, Wendy, for helping out this week. So we're getting a lot of butt shots of Loki.
I know.
Hey.
It's just like sitting there.
It's okay.
You went to that.
He's such a good dog. Okay, so we're gonna head inside. Loki, you gonna come? Loki's kennel is right at the front of our shelter. He's probably gonna follow us in here. Hey, handsome. Okay, so we're gonna go inside and see the other dogs up for adoption. We're gonna see the rest of the dogs. He wants to stay out. Maybe eventually he'll come back inside. We'll see them again. So we're gonna see a few of the large dogs that are in our real life rooms. They are our special suites up at the front of the shelter. Then we're gonna go into Doggy Domain, see all of the small dogs that we have up for adoption, small and medium. And then we're gonna go see some more big dogs, and then we'll check out the puppies. So let's get going. Hi. Hello. This is Julie. I'm not going to go into super detail on every dog. I just wanted to give you an idea of who is here. If you have any questions along the way, definitely leave a comment. I'll try to check those as we go. Remember, red collars for girls, blue collars for boys. And if there's ever anything that you want to discuss privately, feel free to send a message and we'll help you out that way too. Hi again, this is Julie. She's cute. Let's see. Hi. You have a nice smile too. Look at you. You're all smiley. How adorable. This is Coco, 2.5-year-old shepherd mix. Great smile. Oh, love her. Remember, if you're ever looking for a particular type of dog, you are welcome. There's a specific breed that you're looking for, to call the shelter. Oof. I just realized I had the camera. But you are welcome to call the shelter and fill out a pet match request, and we can contact you when that breed comes in. This is Venus. This is the girl who did her little shake video earlier today. There she is. Hey Jake. Super handsome. We just added his video to our YouTube page. Definitely follow us, subscribe to us on YouTube. Hi. We need more subscribers. Subscribe. Okay. So we're gonna go into Doggy Domain now. This is all of our small and medium dogs. Let's see who we have. And a couple of large dogs. Thor. Hey Thor. His little nubbin tail. Look at his little tail. So cute. Love him. Wendy's here passing out treats as we go, because they need their treats. Oh, I can't get enough of this tail. If I could just have like an hour of that tail. Oh. Not bad. Look at his face. This is Ruby. So Treble looks like she has some barrier, he has some barrier aggression issues there just in the kennel. And a lot of dogs do this. When you walk by their kennel, they kind of overreact and kind of lose it for a second. Once you get them out of the kennel, they're perfectly nice and fine. So don't let first impressions alarm you. Treble! Well, he's in there, he's looking at his treat. See if we can get another look at his face. A lot of times they don't want the camera either, so. He's treat focused. There he is. He's handsome. Good deal. Thank you, Wendy. All right. Hey, oh, goodness gracious. This is Isabel. She's a smartie. If you ever come by and visit Isabel, she has what we call happy tail. So we've been trying to treat her happy tail for a while. It's where her tail, as you can see, is constantly going, and the little tip of her tail hit the wall so much she has a little sore, and sometimes it bleeds a little bit. We're medicating it, I promise. So if you ever walk by her kennel and you're like, what is going on? Why is there a little drop of blood there? It's from her tail. She has happy tail. She's too happy. If that's possible, she's happy. Sweet dog. Okay. This baby, Kermit, I think is up front maybe with Marissa. There's a little Chihuahua mix. He's up front in reception. I think we're going to meet him in a second. This is Mighty. Mighty's a 1.5-year-old Chihuahua. Chihuahua mix. Very leggy. Very leggy dog. Super cute. Hi. I like your nose. You're cute. Yeah, hi. Say hi to your people. Maybe your people are out there. Let's see. We're gonna get to you guys in a second. This is Siri. Hey, Siri. Eat it. Here's your treat. Siri's. I think that's my favorite page at the shelter. Meet and greet to dog villas. That means somebody wants to look at a big dog. I'm here for that. I love that.
The people were looking at the probably done.
Hey, let's see. Gamora. Gamora. Hey. So pretty. Such a pretty dog. Love her. She's 10 months old. Shepherd Husky. Super pretty. And then, I don't know. I laugh every time I see this dog. This is Scruffy. Hey, Scruffy. So I know I'm getting a treat. He's a little bit of a hot mess, admittedly, but he's super nice.
He's calmer outside a little.
Yeah, inside the kennel, he gets overly excited. But once you get him out, get him walking, he chills out a little bit. And he's super cool. Very unique looking doggo. He likes to dance and dances. He'll dance for treats. He'll do anything for treats. Goodness gracious. Little butt wiggle. Little butt wiggle. Okay, I can sit here for another hour doing that. Speckles. Hey, Speckles. Look at, we got treats for you. She's gotten a lot better. When she first came in, she absolutely hated, well, she hated me because whenever I'm here, I have my phone, my camera, and she did not trust me at all, but she's getting better. Hi. She's so pretty. Look at her ears. She's a good girl. Love her. Chastity, he is odd but adorable. That's a very good way to describe this dog. Odd but adorable. Let's see, Amir, our big boy Amir. Hey, handsome. I like his brindle stripe. Remember, blue for boys, red for girls. Amir. Up here, bud. Amir's another dog that we have on a diet because he's a little chunky. Oh, he's so cute. He's very photogenic. Very, very photogenic. Oh, love him. So cute. Love him. Alright, so now we're gonna go to dog villas. Hey, just a note, good news, guys. If anyone's been here in the past few months and the building was like outrageously hot and humid, it's because our air conditioning and everything, the Munters unit was not working. Good news, it finally got working. It got fixed this week. Oh, Lord. So now the building is actually cool and not humid. It's now less humid in the building than outside, which is amazing. So thank you for bearing with us through all of that air conditioning nonsense. Very glad it's finally fixed. This is our puppy palace. We're gonna go in there in just a minute. First, we're gonna go check out all of the big dogs. Our hamster, we had a hamster, got adopted this week. Good news. Big dogs, here we go. If it gets loud, I will zoom in on the paperwork. Hi. up on the treats. You just gotta wait a second, bud. He's like, Wendy has the treats. I want the treats. Wendy's helping somebody. Guess what, guys? Super cute. Getting adopted. See, if you just came by earlier today, you could have adopted this one. He's like, Wendy has the treats. They know that Wendy always has treats. I always have the camera. Wendy always has the treats. Pretty smart to figure out our system. Oh no. Oh, let's see. Stray Basenji. Let's see who we have here. You do look like a Basenji. Wonder if you see a stray. We do hold strays anywhere from 3 to 7 days, depending on the situation. Super cute. Bandit. Bandit, you might remember. Bandit was adopted. So Bandit was adopted maybe 7 or 8 months ago, and then returned. Yeah, returned because the adopter had some personal problems they're working out, and so they had to bring Bandit back to us. He's super cool. He's a great dog. Sorry to see him back, and sorry that the previous adopter is going through some stuff. We're not going to hold it against anyone. We just need a new home for Bandit. Empty. There's a dog coming back to that one. This is Snickers. Hey, Snickers. Snickers is a 7-month-old Staffordshire mix. Cute, cute, cute. Let's see who we have here. This is Buddy. How handsome. And very smart. Buddy is about 1.5 years old. What's that treat? Give me that treat, lady. Give me the treat. This is a work in progress doggy. I don't know the exact situation. Not available yet, but he will be soon. He still gets a treat. All dogs get treats. What? Hello? What? What you doing? What you doing? Hey, pretty girl. This is Cookie. Cookie's patiently waiting for her treats. Oh my goodness, guys. You gotta look at this dog next. You ready? This is another stray. I think at one point this week we had 3 stray Huskies. If you recognize this dog, please let us know. We'd love to reunite the dog with their owners. This is a boy. Hi, there's your face. Look at your face. Cute. Zeus is still here. He's 106 pounds of awesome. Super smart dog. Hi. Oh, he's so picture perfect. Picture perfect. This is Dozier. Look at his ear. Hi, Dozier. He's like, what are you doing? What's going on? You want your treat? Oop. Can you get it? There you go. He got it. Oh my goodness. Bandit, was that you? Super cute. Elsa? Elsa here. Elsa. She's very pretty. Elsa's about 1 year old shepherd mix. She weighs about 50 pounds right now. Very pretty girl. And then we saw you, but you didn't get a treat. So now you can get a treat. There you go. Treats for everyone. Okay. So that is... Oh, yay! She just put the adopted paperwork on the doggy dog. It's official. It's official. It's official. He's got to put the white adopted dog collar on there. That looks like it's going to be a little difficult. So we're going to go look at puppies. Oops, excuse. Oh, hey. Sorry. Let me just walk by really quick. I'll get out of your way. Okay, so now we're going to go into Puppy Palace. See who's in here. They're so cute. Excuse me, guys. I'm going to slide in really quick. Okay, here we go, guys. Puppy, puppy, puppies. This is Sophia. She's very pretty. Sophia. And we have Angel here. Hey, Angel. It is quiet in here. I don't want to jinx it. Let's see. Eye exam and neuter. This is a work in progress doggy, not yet available. We do put a lot of medical into the animals that come in. They're all vaccinated, microchipped, dewormed. Dogs over 4 months, I think, are heartworm tested and heartworm negative. If they're positive, we treat them. Put a lot of medical in. We do a lot of eye exams, ear exams, leg exams, injuries. Hi, you're cute. Hi. This is Draco. He's a 3-month-old husky mix. All right. You need some groceries. You look thin. Hi. He's so cute. I can't believe this is the quietest room. This is amazing. Oop. This cutie's a stray. I love her because she has this cute little petite face. Let's see if we can get a good look at her cute little petite face. There you are. Oh, you dropped your treat. Definitely has those hound ears. Look at those ears. It's amazing. This little cutie down here we featured on Instagram yesterday, and she was adopted later that afternoon. This is Scarlett. See what you missed? You should have just come in earlier this week because she's adorable. Okay, that's Scarlett. And then, oh wait, that was it. That's the last one. That was the last puppy. We've done a lot of adoptions this week, which is great. We'd love to do more this weekend, of course. You don't need an appointment to visit. Just head on over. We'd love to get these adopted. Oof. Yes. Okay, so we'll see you guys on Sunday for our live cat tour. Thank you, Wendy. Appreciate it. come to the shelter, adopt a pet. You guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time.